shipmates. Today is Wednesday, October 19th. I'm Lauren Purnell.
And I'm the one and only W. As a reminder, this Thursday will be early dismissal day at 11:45 a.m. with staff having professional development in the afternoon. Schools are closed on Friday for the MSEA convention. Representative from the United States Coast Guard will be visiting JMB on Tuesday, October 25th, during lunch shift. Interested students should stop and explore the opportunity the Coast Guard has available for you.
As a part of Maryland College Application Week, on Thursday we will have College T-Shirt Day. Wear a t-shirt of your favorite college. This week is Maryland College Application Campaign Week. It is a week dedicated to helping our seniors with their post-high school college plans. Students will have the opportunity to meet with their counselors, admissions recruiters, and staff to prepare for college. Warwick will be coming on Wednesday to support students in completing their FAFSA application. Parents can attend or send tax documentation to aid in the completion of the FAFSA. We will have drawings for prizes each day for those who attend the event.
Unity Day is today. Wear and share orange to show you are united for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Mock trial will begin shortly. If you are interested in joining the team, please join our Google Classroom to remain in the loop. The class code is TJIUHKK.
Drama Club needs backstage hands. If you are interested in helping out, please come to one of our meetings on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or see Miss Dix in the library. On Tuesday, October 25th, from 5 to 9 p.m., there will be a Chipotle fundraiser for the JMB class of 2023.
There will be an interest meeting for Model UN on Tuesday, October 25th after school from 3 to 3:30 in the Media Center. If you're interested, please plan to attend. Join the Google Classroom with the code JWNAAO. Boys basketball will hold open gym. Will be every Tuesdays and Thursday in October 6 to 8 in the gym. Mandatory to have a physical and a form relief. Don't miss it.
There will be a boys lacrosse interest meeting in D102 on Tuesday, October 25th at 2:50 p.m. See Coach Sandlin or Coach Cirillo if you are unable to attend. There will be a softball interest meeting held on Monday, October 24th in E124. If you are unable to attend but want to learn more, please contact Ms. Fitzgerald or Ms. Bowman.
The Fall Blood Drive will be held on JMB on Wednesday, November 2nd in the restroom. We are looking for 62 students at JMB who are 17 years or older and want to make a difference in their community. Your donation can actually save up 3 lives. Donors must be age 17, weigh 110 pounds, and be in good general health. Parents' permission is not required, nor does a parent need to be present when donating. See the link to sign up in your school email, your class of Google Classroom. And that is all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a great day, JMB.